we don't waste around here. So when I saw that there was a tiny bit, well, there's a tiny bit of peanut butter in here, I filled it with water. I'll tell you why in a second. And then I saw we have 2 bananas. I said, it's time to make some popsicles. And also, this is the last little bit of the homemade applesauce that I made. So we're gonna make popsicles out of this too. We're gonna use 2 molds. This will be for the applesauce popsicles, which will be like apple pie popsicles once I'm done with them. And then we're gonna make peanut butter banana pops in here. Because what else am I gonna do? I have to turn it into something else. All right, let's go do it. I'm gonna use probably almond milk for these. I actually could use yogurt. Then we can make them yogurt pops, and then they could be like breakfast popsicles. Sometimes I do that too. I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll use both. But let's fill them up. One key little hack is to know how much can go into each of your popsicle molds. So I know that each of these is half a cup. So I have 6 of them. So I need 3 cups of whatever mixture that I'm about to make in order to fill each mold to the pretty much top. So for the peanut butter, which I put warm water in here and I shook it up really well to get a lot of the peanut butter, especially out of the bottom of it. So that's what I did here. But see, we already got some liquid there. And then we're gonna put the bananas in this liquid, and then whatever creamy consistency I decide on, probably almond milk for these. And then maybe we'll use yogurt for the apple pie ones because there's not a lot of applesauce in there. But anyway, you should know how much can go into your popsicle molds, and it's easy to figure it out. Just get a measuring cup, pour it in. Actually, pour water in here, then pour the water in the measuring cup, and then look and see where it reaches, and that's how you know. So there you go. Little tip for you. Okay, I put the allotted amount of milk in the applesauce container, shake it up real well so I can get as much of that applesauce out of there. There you go. Done and done. And because we don't waste around here, I put the banana peels in some water, and this is going to be fertilizer for our plants. Breakfast, snack, we'll see. Either way, it's something extra from a few tiny things that were left in our fridge and on the table. Okay, bye.